Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! For today's video, ito na yung pinakahihintay yung lahat. Yung cover namin, dalawa. So, syempre siya po yung magigitar. Ako naman yung singerist. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, isa po ako professional singer. Nagmula po ako sa karagatan. Okay. Wala na ibang cheme-keme. Ito na. Let's start. This is the intro. Intro daw to. Okay. Somebody told me you were leaving. I didn't know. Somebody told me you were unhappy, but it doesn't show. Na-flat kayo. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. So you're walking out the door. Somebody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you were dying, but still to fight. Pwede ba to? Nag-practice pa naman ako yan today. Relax ko muna. Let me be the one to break it up, so you would have to make.
Tignan mo, naligaw na yung gitara sa'yo.
Love, ayusin mo! And you told me you fell out of love for me.
Ano binabasa? May tono yan! Huwag mo basahin!
Okay, doon na tayo. So, I'm setting.
Wala tong grade recitation.
Ayusin mo kasi, love. Love,
Isira ata ako.
nagpahinga. Oo. Bakit? Chorus.
Huwag mo kasing basahin. May tono yan.
Alam ko na to, alam ko na to, part na to. Chorus eh, alam ko to. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We just have to say our love was true. Ayusin mo! Kasi hindi ako makahabol!
Kung nga yung naliligaw na landos eh.
Hindi lang. Feeling ko na kung nabibit ka naman siya.
Offbeat yung tono mo.
Okay, seryoso na. Chorus. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to fight, not set up where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true.
Tara na. Tama na. Pinuloko mo na lang ako.